Alright, so I'm going to be going over the SAT practice test number 4, section number 4 now. I'll be doing problems 1 through 10. I've made some videos in the past doing section number 3. So this is the calculator section, but I'm actually not going to be using a calculator just to show you, in the off chance that your calculator doesn't work, how you would solve it, or kind of, how to get around things, how to maybe do things a little bit faster. So number 1 says you have a monthly membership fee for an online and movie TV service. Just call it Netflix. I don't know why they don't call it that. I don't know, maybe it's Amazon Prime. But alright, so that's $9.80. Cost of viewing TV shows is free. Membership's free. Additional fee plus $1.50 per movie, which is expensive. There's a woman, Jill. Her total fees were $12.80. How many movies did she rent online that month? Okay, so you can kind of calculate that straightforwardly. So her bill, right? So Jill's bill was $12.80, right? So you're going to subtract off the monthly membership fee of $9.80, right? So $0.3, okay? So she has $3 left on her bill, and it's $1.50 per movie. So what you do is 3 divided by 1.5 is going to be 2 movies. So that's the answer, 2, which is option B. Alright. Now, let's go on and do number 2. Alright. You have to write 225 words per minute, WPM, in order to be a court reporter. Donald can write 180 words per minute, so it's not enough. So he thinks he can write 5 words per minute more per month. So basically, it's looking for an expression that says in however many months, how many words will Donald be able to write. So let's see, so plus 5 words per minute per month. Right. So if you think about it, so let's say he practices for 1 month, right? So 1 month, he'd be up to 185 words per minute. If he practices for 2 months, he'd then be up to another 5, so 190 words per minute. If he did 3 months, another 5, he'd be up to 195 words per minute. Okay, so kind of the general trend is 180 plus the number of months times 5, right? And that's actually just what the answer is looking for. Is an expression for given however many months, how many words per minute can you write? And so this is the expression, which is letter C. Okay. Now then, let's go on to number 3. All right, 3-pound pizza. Oh, I would love a 3-pound pizza. All right, 3-pound pizza. So you have a pizza. Pizzas aren't blue. Good pizzas aren't blue. You have a pizza. It's 3 pounds. Okay. It's sliced in half. Okay. So let's slice it in half. And then each half is sliced into thirds. Okay. So 1/3, 2/3, and then over here it's 1/3, 2/3. Okay. So in other words, it's sliced into sixths, right? So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal slices. What's the weight in ounces of each of the slices? So let's just convert this quickly. 3 pounds is going to be 3 pounds converted to ounces. 1 pound, I hope you know that's notation, LB is pound, is 16 ounces, OZ. So 3 times 16 is, so that's going to be 48 ounces pizza. Whole pizza. Okay, and we said that we cut it into 6 equal slices, So if you want to know the weight of each slice, it'd be 48 divided by 6, which is going to be 8 ounces. Okay, so that's going to be letter C. All right, let's do number 4. All right, Nick surveyed a random sample of freshmen of the freshman class of his high school to determine whether the fall festival should be held in October or November. All right, so you have 90 students surveyed, 90 students. 25.6% wanted October, and that means that the rest wanted November. So based on this information, how many students in the entire 225 person class would be expected to prefer to have the fall festival in October? It's kind of tricky that they told you the 90 student part. You actually didn't need to know that. Basically, it's just the idea that this 25% represents the student body. So what it's asking, in effect, is what is 25.6% of 225 students? And I don't know if I have much better advice on how you would know that's what it's asking, other than just reading the question carefully. Go slow. It's a little bit hard to do that when you're in a stressful environment of the SAT, but that's kind of what you need to do. All that you're going to do then is 225, and now 20. Since I don't have a calculator, what you would just do is 225 times 225 times 0.256. That would be what you're looking for. I don't quite have that, so you can just kind of estimate. So this is approximately 25.6% is approximately 25, right? And 25% is a quarter. So you could just do 225 divided by 4. It's going to be 50. 20 minus is going to be 25, 6. So you actually get about 56 students. And then you have to remember your rounding rules. And so since it's more than, it's over half, so you round up to 60. So that's what the answer is, 60, and so that's letter B. If, for example, this was 54 students, you'd round down to 50. But since it's 56 students, you round up to 60. So that's why the answer is B. A little tricky with that last part, but that's that. Alrighty. Now then, let's go on and do 5. Okay. You have density of an object is equal to, let's write this, density of an object is equal to the mass m of the object divided by the volume of the object. So then what is the volume in milliliters of an object with a mass of 24 grams and a density is going to be 3 grams per milliliter? Okay, so basically you're going to have 3, just substitute those values in, grams per ml is going to be 24 grams divided by V milliliters. So now you're going to multiply both sides by V and divide both sides by 3 grams per milliliter. V milliliters is going to be 24 grams divided by 3 grams per milliliter. That's going to be 8 milliliters. And so that's what the answer is, which is B. Okay. Let's do number 6. Okay. All right, last week Raul worked 11 more hours than Angelica. So you know R equals 11 plus A, where A is however many hours Angelica worked. So you also are given that if they worked a combined total of 59 hours, which means the number of hours Raul worked and the number of hours Angelica worked was 59, how many hours did Angelica work? Okay, well, we can figure this out pretty quickly. You substitute this in here, and you're going to get 11 plus A, right, from here, plus A equals 59. So you're going to have 11 plus 2A equals 59. 2A then is going to equal 48. Subtract both sides by 11, so A equals 24. Okay, and so that means that your answer is, well, A. Okay, let's see. I'm going to stop here, and I'll make one more video that goes over the last few questions, 7 through 10. Okay, see you there.